Hi mate, in this video I am trying to show you how to download and install B1G Player on Amazon Firestick and how to get B1G Player on Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service, you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. First of all, open a downloader app and put that code in the search bar 5060514. Just wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, B1G Play is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for a reliable IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at a affordable price. My service has 20,000 worldwide live channel, 20,000 movies and 5,000 series. It includes worldwide sport channel, movies and series. After download the B1G Play, install it. After installation, open it. After opening, press on the link 1. Now you need a username and password. Now you can put your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you the username and password. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching.